Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to talk about how to kill weeds with a natural, homemade, organic solution. Well, this winter's been pretty wet, so that means there's just weeds coming up all over the place. Now, I have these two wonderful dogs, and they love to chew on grass. I swear they were cows in a former life. So there's no way I can use any kind of nasty weed killer or chemicals or anything in my garden. And so I researched and came up with this really fun online recipe that I discovered. And it's really, really simple. It's basically just a gallon of white vinegar, some salt, and some dish liquid. So you mix it all together. And again, here's that solution. So it's 1 gallon of white vinegar, some regular salt, and 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Half a cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of dish soap. And so the acidic acid in the vinegar actually dries up the plant, and the soap helps it really stick to the leaves, because basically you're trying to just dry out the foliage and really suffocate those leaves on those weeds. And the salt really adds a lot of potency. So mix it all together in that big old jug of white vinegar, and then you pour it into a smaller container. This was an old Windex bottle I just cleaned out several times, and then poured that stuff into there. And make sure you're wearing gloves when you do this, but it's most important that 2 things keep in mind. Make sure you spray on a really hot, windless day, and there's no rain for about 24 hours. And also make sure when you're applying this that you're not spraying it on plants you want to keep. So it's important that it's not windless, so there's no overspray into other plants, because again, it's going to stick to any kind of green foliage and suffocate that leaf, and you don't want that happening to your good plants. But because it's safe, it's going to dissipate really quick. Again, hot, windless day. Make sure those plants are really dried up so they're desperate to get something, and it will just drip it off. So spray it on to where you see it's dripping like that. And again, walk away. Don't water. Make sure there's no water in that garden for 24 hours. And it's just amazing. Here's what it looked like 24 hours later. The stuff is withering up and dying. In another 24 hours, it's going to be completely dead. And again, not only was that, but 24 hours, I was able to let the dogs run around in this garden. The stuff is just shriveling up. It's going to be so easy to pull this out in another day when it's really, really dead. So again, that recipe is in that comment section. The white vinegar, the salt, and the dish soap. It's really, really great. And another thing I would point out is if you look over here, there are some plants right next to what I sprayed. They're doing just fine. And again, right across from where I was spraying is my beautiful rose garden. No overspray. Those guys are doing just fine. Again, that's why you always want to spray on a windless day and let that foliage get nice and dried out. So it's a great way to kill weeds that are off by themselves, like there by the steps. Any place that weeds are kind of tough, you just want to spray them into. And again, there's my rose garden looking great. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to hit like and hype and subscribe and share this. Leave a comment if you have a really fun household recipe for killing weeds. I'd love to hear other people's fun recipes. Good luck with your landscape project. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.